Hi friends, today we're going to talk about our number collections. So I just love counting. I think counting is really fun and it's a super important skill for our kids that are getting ready for kindergarten. And some people can count to really high numbers and some people can count to just smaller numbers, but everyone can count. So we're going to start by doing some counting. So we have today our red folder, which is called number collections. And this is another thing that you're going to be doing every day. So when we open it up, we see some different things in here. We have a calendar like this, and it's September because that's our first month, and we have a sheet like this. So we're gonna start by looking at the calendar, and we need to find today's date. We need to find the number that is today. And I'm gonna be starting with our first day of school, which is going to be September 2nd, because that's the first day that you'll be doing this. So I'm looking for September 2nd, and September 2nd is actually 2. So here we are, 2. So today's number is going to be counting and making a collection for the number 2. So now I need to find something in my house that I could use to make a collection of 2. Okay, well I have some Legos right here, so I think that's what I'm gonna use. So for today I just need 2 things. So I'm gonna make my collection of 2, and I'm going to count 1, 2, and then I'm also going to use this paper to write down the number. So I can practice writing numbers, because writing numbers is a good way to communicate how many of something you need or there is. So we have 1, 2. So I'm gonna look at this little 2, and I'm gonna try to write it here on the paper to make it look just like that. So there's my number 2. I'm gonna put these 2 next to each other like this, and I'm gonna have my mom or dad take a picture, and that you're gonna send to Mrs. Simpson so she can see your number collection. Now some of you might be thinking, oh dear, I don't know how to write a number 2. I don't know how yet. So if that's the case with you, your mom can help you by drawing a 2 with the yellow marker. So she'll draw the 2, and then you will practice by going over the top with a different color. So you could write the 2, 2. So it kind of looked like that. Then I think it's good to cross off the 2 so it's easier to find tomorrow's number. So we'll just cross off 2 because we're done with that. And then we know that tomorrow's number is going to be here, 3. So tomorrow we'll be doing 3. And that's number collections.